Hi, it's Gail from MyRepurposedLife.com. I'm here to show you my sad, sad backyard. You can see that the shed has already been moved and those ugly clothesline poles need to go somewhere. Oh, look, they're gone and a fire pit has been started. Looking good. Progress. Next up, you'll see the patio has been started. Yeah, okay. And oh, the fire pit's looking even better. We have some Texas lamp posts to hold some solar lights. Patio's getting done. I bought a swing for the new area. And looky there, the porch is getting started to cover up those ugly concrete stairs. Oh, what? What do we have over there? More rock next to the fence. I wonder what that's for. Let's take a quick look at how the porch came about. See how bad the steps look. The first thing up was to make a frame. I helped my neighbor Rodney. We worked on this together. So we put some temporary legs and hammer drilled it into the house, and here we're adding the joists. The posts were set in concrete and braces were added to hold the posts upright until they set. Deck boards were attached with screws using a big pipe clamp to hold the boards. Dog-eared fencing was cut in half and dog-eared on both ends to complete the look. A big thanks to Ryobi Outdoor Tools for supplying the tools to help this job get done. Their new expanded system starts with the string trimmer and then you can buy attachments to add to it. The cultivator is one of those attachments. You'll see me using it here to loosen up some dirt around the fence. They run on 40-volt batteries, and the battery is very strong and holds a charge really well, enough for you to get your work done. After you cultivate the ground and loosen it up, then you will want to spread it around with a garden rake or hoe just to make it look better. Good job, Gail. You work so fast. Now the string trimmer is the heart of it. That's what comes with the original wand, and then the other attachments connect to the string trimmer. You can see it works really well, and although you might think it's awkward because it's long and heavy, it's counterbalanced, in my opinion, very well, and it's easy to maneuver and work on the weeds. They call it a string trimmer. I call it a weed whacker. Okay, so I have removed the string trimmer and I've added a blower to the same battery slash handle. And I'm using a blower to blow off all the sawdust from the porch. That was all the handrails and everything were routed really smooth. So it created a lot of sawdust and shavings. And the blower makes quick work of getting all that blown away. You can see it blowing in the wind. Check out how easy it is to switch out the tools. Twist the knob, push in the button, and remove. And then you can add your next attachment to it. One last quick look at how things are coming along in the backyard. It's going to be done before we know it. At least I hope so. Be sure to subscribe to MRL on all the proper channels so you don't miss the next DIY project.